Ito guys, ang Philippine party style. May lechon, there's a lechon, pigi lechon, there's a kinilaw, tuna, shrimp, butter shrimp, and pansit, lumpiang Shanghai, adobong baboy, adobong manok, goso salad, which is the seaweeds salad, and then there is what's this? Adobong manok, adobong baboy, dinuguan, pritong manok, fried chicken, buttered chicken, many more. So it's this salads, many menu. This is the Philippine style of party, always like this, special party. There's a lechon, there is many foods, and they are very special bayan, lechon baboy. There means piggy lechon, and rice, especially rice. They like rice. The Philippine lifestyle, they like rice. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel and click the notification bell. Thank you. God bless. Bye.